Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, January 28th, 2019. Well, we have high pressure in control with scattered to broken cloud cover along the coast and clear skies over the interior. With that high pressure system, we're seeing winds slowly veering to the northeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures along the coast range from the mid to upper 20s over the New York City metro, upper 20s to lower 30s over the Philadelphia metro, and upper teens or really mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior. High pressure will produce tranquil weather conditions today, but we have some mischief on the way. On the latest satellite picture, you can see cloud cover along the coast slowly exiting, high pressure slowly building to the south, and that's going to lead to a very nice yet chilly day. But we have trouble off to our west. This cold front here will be pressing towards the east, and as it does so, will produce some scattered rain and snow showers by tomorrow afternoon. This little disturbance right here is going to be developing an area of low pressure right along that cold front. And that low pressure system will produce a period of light to moderate snow along the coast and some moderate to heavy snow over the interior, with some snow accumulation. Now, not looking for a lot along the coast, but temperatures will be crashing, and so there is another threat, which of course is black ice, so something we definitely have to keep an eye on. On our surface map, you can see high pressure building in. Here's our low pressure system starting to organize and start to track towards the region. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Sky cloud cover can be expected with highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. For this evening on through tomorrow morning, look for increasing cloud cover, winds veering to the southeast, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s along the coast, mid to upper teens over the interior. Now, this low pressure system and cold front will be moving steadily to the east. In fact, it will reach eastern Pennsylvania by the time we get to the afternoon hours. Ahead of the cold front, especially along the coast, temperatures will be rising into the lower to mid 40s. However, as you move towards the interior, temperatures will peak in the mid to upper 30s and then rapidly fall back towards freezing. As that's happening, an area of low pressure will start to develop over eastern Pennsylvania. So by the time we get to the evening, that low pressure system will rapidly be moving to the northeast towards southern New Jersey and towards Long Island and eventually towards southern New England by the time we get to Wednesday morning. So what's going to happen is that we're going to see a mix of rain and snow along the coast changing over to snow, and a period of light snow becoming moderate to heavy at times over the interior. That snowfall will accumulate pretty steadily over the Poconos and northwestern New Jersey and even for the Hudson River Valley. However, along the coast, it's going to take a little bit of time because that cold air will be rushing in towards the coast. This storm is going to be moving very quickly, so the primary impact times will basically be between 4 p.m. Tuesday to about 4 a.m. Wednesday, give or take an hour depending on your location, east or west. During that time period, this storm will be rapidly moving, and the heaviest precipitation over the interior will basically be around midnight. With that being the case, because of the fast-moving factor of this low pressure system, it kind of limits the snowfall potential. As you head up towards New England, though, the air mass is going to be colder overall, so that's going to enhance what you call your snow ratio. So up there it will be 15 to 1, 20 to 1, while around the Poconos we'll start at 10 to 1 and work our way up, and that also limits your snowfall total. So what I'm expecting is basically a trace to an inch along the immediate coast. Watch out here though, because even though the snow will be long gone by the time you start your morning rush hour on Wednesday morning, the temperatures are going to be free falling into the teens. So with that being the case, anything that was wet on the ground around 4 a.m. will be an area of ice. So be on your guard for some icy conditions on Wednesday morning with a trace of an inch of snow on your car tops. As you move a little bit away from the coast, looking at 1 to 3 inches of snow. Most locations around that 1 to 2 inch margin, but you could see a burst pushing your snowfall totals up to 3 inches in a few locations. Then as you head towards the interior, northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, looking at generally 3 to 6 inches of snow. For your highest elevations, some isolated locations could touch 8 inches, but I think the bulk of the 8-inch snowfall totals is going to be focused more towards central the central Hudson River Valley and central New York, and then up towards northwestern Connecticut. That's where you're going to see a more organized snowfall shield and also colder air to support higher snowfall ratios and more steadier snowfall. So that low pressure system will be leaving pretty quickly, and by the time we get to the afternoon hours, we're going to see scattered cloud cover and generally tranquil weather conditions. But it is going to be rather chilly, with lows again in the lower to mid-teens and highs in the mid to upper 20s. It is going to be bone-chilling cold on Thursday with an Arctic air mass in place. Look for lows in the single digits below zero to single digits along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast, with a northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. It's going to lead to wind chills around or below zero. So definitely be on your guard on Thursday. And Friday, it really isn't much better. High pressure will be right over the region, so the winds will be light and variable, which is great. But it'll still be very chilly with lows in the single digits below zero, possibly some negative teens over the interior to single digits along the coast, upper teens to lower 20s for highs. On Saturday, that high pressure system will meander over the region with clear skies to sky cloud cover, a little bit warmer, lows in the single digits, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. The high pressure system pushes off the coast with increasing cloud cover and much warmer conditions. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s by the time we get to Sunday. And then Monday, another area of low pressure and cold front will be approaching the region with scattered showers expected. Lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s and highs in the mid to upper 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.